SKYE stock analysis. Thursday is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. Bro, especially looking at Skye Bioscience, I'm looking to double down on this. You know, the only way that I would do so is if there is a solid double break. A lot of people have actually, let's pop up here, have like one result that's sick, but a lot of people are overcomplicating stuff. Because I've been in the game for 5 years, I've personally seen what's printing. This is the demand zone that we kind of mitigated, which is solid. I kind of abandoned, you know, Skye Bioscience, because the only thing that I wanted to see was the double break there, and then it kind of never happened. And I focused on other tickers. That's kind of how things unfolded. Generally speaking, from here on, I'm looking to buy, but that's only if the price corrects a little bit lower, you know, pulls down a bit, and there is a proper shift. And if I do not see that happening, then bro, I guess I'm not gonna buy. Boom, that's it. Like, all I will do in the meantime is I'll keep waiting. If you want my exact process and all that good jazz, just click the first link in the description. It's absolutely risk-free. Get my picks, plus the Discord. 1,200 people have gotten in. Get absolutely risk-free.